Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to protect Excel file with password. If you want that no one can access your Excel file or modify it without your permission, securing an Excel file with a password is a great way to keep your data private. I have the very important file with the name of sales report and I want that no one can access this file without my permission. So for this, first open the worksheet to set the password. Now click on File, click on Info, and there is option Protect Workbook. Click on it, and from the drop down, select this option, Encrypt with Password. Type the password and click OK. Retype the password to confirm it and click OK. Now your file is password protected. No one can access your workbook without your permission. After setting the password, we should save the file for the password protection. After setting the password, save the file. Now every time when the workbook is opened, the password will be required. As you can see, when I open this file, sales report, there is a password dialog box opens. When I enter the password and click OK, the file is open. Now we will learn how to protect an Excel file from modifying. This allows users to view the data without changing it. So let's do it. First, open the workbook, then click on File, and now click on Save As and select the option Browse. Now give a name for this Excel file into the file name box as Sales Report Original. Now from the tool, select the General options and in the General option dialog box, type a password. In the Password to Modify text box, and then check the option Read Only Recommended and click OK. Re-enter the password to confirm it and click OK. Now click on Save to save this file. Now this Excel workbook is both read-only and password protected. When anyone try to make changes and save the workbook, a warning message box will appear. These are the methods to protect your Excel file with password. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.